You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Biodun Okeowo, better known as Omoboti in Nollywood, has shared her feelings on her mother's Memorial Day. Her mother died 2 years ago, according to the cover star. The actress paid tribute to her mother on her official Instagram profile, saying that she was a treasure not just to her children and grandchildren, but to anyone she met and interacted with. She also identified her mother as a woman who, even when she didn't have much, gave to a lot of people but kept little for herself. She disclosed in loving memory to honor a priceless woman, sharing her love for her mother. She wants to build a water source for a community in her honor that needs water and feeds thousands of people. Reacting, some Nollywood stars took to the comment section to console her.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you.